Hi professionals, welcome back to Let's Talk About Engineering. In today's topic, we are going to look on the shell, profile, rib and trajectory rib commands. Okay, before start with the shell command, I will draw some models to show you for example. Okay, let's start with shell command. In shell command, in reference tab, you have an option to remove surface and non-default thickness surface. Okay. First, we will look on the remove surface. Just click on this surface and you can see that it was created a scoop out from the materials. Okay, it was remove all the materials inside this box and create a thickness for it. Okay, you can also adjust the thickness of the shell for I will type as 10 and you can see that it was applied as a thickness of 10, and also you can change the direction of the thickness. Okay, also you have an option to non-default thickness option. It will exclude the selected surface from default thickness. Okay, I will select this surface and increase this value as a 100. You can see that it has a different from any other surface. Okay, this was the usage of the thickness shell command. Okay, and then we will look on the topic of profile trajectory rib. Before activating a trajectory rib, I will create an default thickness for it. Okay, and then activate this shader with edge and then activate the profile trajectory rib. Before activating trajectory rib, I need some sketches to activate to use this command. I will create some sketches just from here to here, another here to here. I will just matter about it. Okay, and then activate the trajectory rib command, and you can see that it was creating a rib. Also, you have in trajectory rib, you can also have an option with the increased width of the rib. For example, I will increase it 10 mm, and you can also add a draft and rounded exposed edge and rounded internal edge. Okay, and then you have an option of profile rib. Before editing the profile rib, I will delete these sketches and I will create a new sketch for it. Click OK and then extrude it again with minimum of 30 mm and then create another extrude on this surface. Okay, now just click on this surface and select this plane and create another profile. You can use a straight line, or you can use a spline command to enter the profile rib. And then click on the profile rib and select this and change the arrow of direction. Okay, now you can see that the profile was created and you have option for increase the thickness of it. For example, I can increase at 10 mm and you can see that it was created and a profile rib was formed. Okay.